this video, we're going to be showing you how to withdraw your money from Bybit to your bank account. So this is a step-by-step guide. You want to follow it. So the first thing we want to do is to open our Bybit app. And here in our wallet dashboard, we're going to go to assets to first of all make sure that we have our assets in our funding account. If you do not have your assets in your funding account, you cannot use the option we would like to use. So in order to move from your unified trading to your funding or from your inverse derivatives to your funding account, all you need to do is to transfer. So you're going to click on transfer here. You're going to see from and to. Of course, I already have the funds in my funding account, but if you do not have it, you're going to make sure that you can choose the other account here, and then you're going to move it to your funding account. You're going to also select the coin which you'd like to move to your funding account, not necessarily all the coins, but the one you wish to have. And you're going to put the amount and confirm it. Again, like I said, I have my coins in my funding account, so we're going to leave it that way. And then we're going to go back home. And then here in home, we're going to go to the top where we can have the search. We're going to tap on the search bar, and then we're going to type P2P. And then you have the most related, of course. In any case, you're going to see P2P trading, 0 fees. And here is where you can buy and sell. Currently, it's under buy, so we're going to switch it to the tab of sell. Now, under sell, you can have the currency. You can tap on it and choose the currency you'd like for your country or whichever applies to you. But for this, we're going to be using USD. And then you're going to set the amount you're going to be using. So we're tapping the amount. And then say we want to do about 20 USD. We're going to confirm. This setting is going to help you to get clients who will be using from $20 and above. And then under payment methods, because you want to transfer it to your bank account, we're going to choose this option here. Of course, it's currently set in all payment methods. So we're going to tap on payment methods. So we're going to search for bank transfer. And here you have bank transfer in different countries. But if you look closely, you're going to see just bank transfer. And then you can confirm that. And now you can see different people you could send to. You can see their fulfillment and the number of orders that they've made. You can see this one is 96, 97 and things like that. If you like to be more careful, you could of course go to the filter and tap here. So you have the filter over here. So we're going to tap on it. And you have two options. You could say only show verified advertisers and also show eligible ads. So if we click on the two options here, and confirm. As you can see, currently there are no records based on our criteria. So we're going to go back and reduce our criteria a little bit. So we're going to click on this one and confirm and see if there's any improvement. Still nothing. Of course, we're going to tap it again and uncheck show only verified advertisers. And here you have others. Now, even though these are not verified advertisers or things like that, you can still deal with them. The reason is simple. They have a high rating. Here you have 96, 97, and so on and so forth. Now, whomever you choose, when you click on sell, the client will be notified that you want to sell 20 of your USDT, and they're going to transfer it into your bank account. Now, of course, at this point, you're definitely going to have your bank details in your Bybit wallet. So they're simply going to send it to your bank account, and then your coins will be released to them. So this is how to withdraw your money from Bybit to your bank account.